Hi everyone. Last time we were together, do you remember Aaron and Eric were helping us learn about using self-talk to remember all the steps for directions that we are following. Do you remember that Eric was teaching Aaron his little song about washing his hands because he was forgetting the step about getting his hands wet first. So he came up with a little song that he was using self-talk, telling himself in his brain the different steps. So today we are going to listen to a story about Danny who was having some trouble remembering the steps. So we'll see how he focuses his attention and what tools he uses that we've been learning about so that he can follow these steps. Okay, here's Danny. Look at him, he's sitting on the carpet. This is Danny sitting on the rug. He's trying to remember what to do. His teacher said to go start his art project, but there was something else he had to do first. Danny forgot to focus his attention. Who do you think Danny can ask if he can't remember? Let's see. Danny decides to ask the teacher what he has to do. He asks in a respectful voice, "Could you please tell me what I need to do before I go to start the art project?" His teacher says, "I'll tell you the directions again. Turn on your attentoscope so you can really focus." Can you guys turn yours on? Help Danny remember how to put them on. Okay, are you focused? You can set him back down. Let's see what Danny does. He put on his attentoscope. The teacher says, first, put on a painting shirt, then go start the art project. And next, the teacher says, Danny, repeat or say again what I said to help you remember. His teacher is suggesting that he uses self-talk, repeating those steps to himself quietly or telling himself in his brain so he remembers. Let's see if it works. Danny says the directions over and over to himself, and he walks to where the painting shirts are kept. Now you guys put on your attentoscopes just a minute ago, and let's see if you were focusing your attention on that story and you can remember. What was Danny saying to himself when he walked over to get a painting shirt? Think about it for a second. Let's see if you remembered. Put on a painting shirt and then go start the art project. Do you remember that's what his teacher told him? First put on the painting shirt and then go start the art project. If you thought the same thing, if your attentoscope was working and you were focusing your attention on that story, wiggle your fingers at me. Okay, so focusing our attention and using self-talk helps us remember directions. But you know what? Sometimes we forget those directions. And that's okay. Even grown-ups forget. So when we come together next time, we are going to talk about how to ask for what you need. If you need help with a project like that, if you need help focusing your attention, or you need help following directions. Next time we're together, we will practice doing that together. Thank you for your help.